Hello everybody, so today I'm gonna do some machine from vulnhub.com. So it's a Fristileaks 1.3, and here what you need to take into consideration is VMware need to be manually configure MAC address at this. Then next what you wanna do is that's my preference. So basically when you are using for a long period of time, then let's say you are testing a machine, so it get disconnected automatically, so that would be a big problem. So if we try to paste that location, right, and let's do ls, you just have to do simple configuration before you do this. Then let's do ls. So you have to edit this file, so here you need to, here let's copy that and let's do v, then let's paste that, and v mx, so that's the wrong one. So okay, insert, let's do I don't want to save this, right? So let's do v, then let's remove this, then let's do v, and at the end you have to include this suspend dot disable equal to true. Then let's quit this. That's the basic setting for it. So let's clear this out. Then here is my nmap scan, nmap.log. so here we have port 80 open. In there we have this folder, and we can use dirbuster http, then 192.168.1.205. then let's wait for it. Then that was my IP. Where was that machine? So here is my machine, so 205 and 192.168.1.205. so this is the home page. So let's do our view source. So here goal get uid 0 root and read special file time frame should be doable in 4 hours. That's fine, right? And here we can see there is a file called robot.txt, and that's our index.html, and there is a directory called images. So let's do robots, let's do robot, and let's paste it over here, right? We have cola cc beer, so that's a cold drink, and here is our images. So we have image, so this is not the URL you were looking for, that's fine. And keep calm and drink freshly. So here so something got me weird, right? So Fristy should be a folder because it has this folder that has been restricted, and something is weird, and drink Fristy, so it's a beverage. So let's do enter, and we have got our login screen, and let's enumerate more on this file, right there. Let's do paste it, let's do enter, and let's see. let's wait for this to finish. So we have a upload folder and upload, then upload slash index.html, then that's fine. Let's see that file. Let's paste it over here. So this is not the folder. That means if we try to go back, no, that's fine. Then let's try to use our view source. Then here we can see the user that has left the message. We need to clean this up for production. I left some junk in here to make testing easier. So that's our first clue, and let's paste it over here, right? Easy peasy, that's the username. And if we go down enough, so we have our base 64. Let's copy this and let's try to clear this out. Then let's do echo, then let's paste this over here. Then after pasting it, let's pipe this, then this 64 dash decode, then let's paste this file into let's redirect this output into file me.txt. Then if we cat out me, then the index it has shown the png, so we need to copy this and let's do png, right? Then here is our home folder and here is the file. So it has written the text and that text has been extracted, so I have already done that, right? So this is the text. That means if we try to log in with that username and what we have got from the png file or image, we can use it as a password. And let's try to copy this and let's paste it over here and let's log in over here. And here you can see upload has been successful. So after here, so we know the vulnerability, file upload vulnerability, so we can do that. So include the php, do upload php, that's fine. If we try to upload it, so only png, jpg and gif are allowed. That means if we do a php reverse shell, then we can get this, right? So all we have to do is locate the reverse php reverse, then let's do enter. So this is the php file that we want it. Then let's do copy. Do we need a sudo permission? Yes, we need the copy. Then let's paste it at current directory. Let's do dummy and let's do edit this file, right? So then php reversal php, then let's split this window. Then if we do ip config wlan 0, if config wlan 0, so here is our IP address. Let's copy this, let's go up and let's scroll down. Then let's do I for insert and let's change this IP address 192.168.1.5. so we can use 133. Let's, that's kind of weird port, that's why. Okay, that's fine. I mean to say 1334. So let's copy this PHP reversal into PHP reversal.png file. So once that has been established, so we can just nc dash l lvnp, then our port number is 1334. Let's do enter. Let's go to the folder upload. So we can do what was our file name? PHP, right? PHP. So this was the png file we have created. Let's do upload. So it has been inside, so the file has been uploaded inside the folder. So if we do that, so we don't get anything. So we can just copy this. So let's copy that, let's paste it over here, and let's wait for the connection. So what's wrong? So Fristileaks PHP, okay, here I need to mention dirt png. So what about now? So let's see our connection. So we have got ourselves. So if we do ls, and let's make it a little bit bigger. So la, so we have nothing that interesting over here. So it's a normal folder and directories. So what about cat etc? What about the user password? Okay, so we have the Fristi, then we have a Fristi guard, then admin, then there is a easy peasy, and who am I? Let's write who am I. So I'm Apache. Let's do ID, then we can do cat etc. Then let's do leave. So this is CentOS release 6.5. So if what user do we have? So we can do la, then let's see our home directory. So we have Fristi got easy peasy, then admin, then there is definitely a root folder, right? Then let's go to home directory, then so okay, so let's wait. ls, then if we do go to admin, so permission denied, so easy peasy. So we have gone inside there, then let's see the folder and all the files over here. So we can see lots of binary files over here which can be executed. So change owner, chmod, and the interesting part of this is here you can see the node.txt. so let's see that. So cat nodes the txt. So is I made it possible for you to do some automatic change. I did only allow you to access user bin, that's fine. Then we can do system binaries. Then I did however copy the few extra file often needed to run a command from a home directory. csmod df cat echo ps, you can use it from home admin. So don't forget to specify the full path of the each binary. So if we try to do ls, then what we have is user bin. So okay, so we have all this binary file that can be executed as the by us, right? So that means, so let us see this. So we could use it, but we need to just put that into run this file or run this text into temp folder. We need to have that, then it get executed. It's a cron tab. So let's do lstemp. So if we do lscat notes the txt, just in case I don't have to scroll too much up, then let's do cd tmp, then let's do ls. So we have that files. So normally it won't get this, so I have already done that. So let me try to remove and run this. So okay, so it has been removed. Then normally you would see this two file only, okay, this one file only, so we don't need rm cell the file ls. So you would see this file only, and from here what you want to do is to create a python reverse shell. So from copy this, and so where is that file? So if we go up, then shell dirt py, okay, cat shell dirt py. So if we show this, so this is our IP address and that's our port number. Let's just change that just in case something goes wrong. Then let's do, because I haven't deleted the earlier connection, so it might get an error, so just in case. So let's try insert it, and let's do 444. Oh, okay, we can do 1444. Okay, let's save this. Then we can do python, we can use simple python server. So simple att&ck server, and then let's do this. So we are at pw, so we are at the temp directory. Then we can do wget then att&ck then /192. so that's gonna be our IP address, the 1.5. so our port number is 8000. then we need a file called shell.py. then let's do enter. So we got our file, that means it's right over here. Then what we can do is let's go down over here. Then let's split this window. Then we can create a new listener. So we have the IP address, we have the port number called 1444. yes, that's it. Then let's go this side. Then let's do what we can do is let's do this echo. so basically it's telling us to run okay, I could just go, let me go to cd, I forgot the path. So cd, then let me go back home, ls cd easy peasy cat node.txt. so we need to specify the file. So user bin, then our file. So okay, cd temp temporary file. Then okay, let's see the file. So we have that. So echo, then we need to use this file, right? So we can use user bin, then user bin, then we can use Python, we can use this Python, then so we want to run a file, right? So it's inside our temp folder. Then we have the file name called py. Then we need to create a file called run this. So we can do, so we need to redirect this to run this. Let's do enter, let's do ls, then let's wait. Okay, we can do cron result, and let's do enter. CRO. So now we have got ourselves. That means let's do who am I and admin. So we are inside admin. So let's check the folder. So we have this. So let's go up. We don't need this. Simple. We don't need this. That means we can clear it out. So we have the, so this formatting is not that good, so we can do like this. And here we can see the clones of the py that file, so we can do cat it out, right? So definitely it takes the string, write a file, then it opens, and then it checks, and it goes systematically, it goes through line. So it has two conditions for that. If it goes and satisfy the condition, then it goes for parameter checking. If it has, so it has some restriction for it, and that's fine, and that's not our concern. So we have this cryptic that pass, so we can just cat it out. And another interesting file would be who is your god now. So let's copy this. Okay, I can do this, paste this. And another is a cryptic pass .py. So this is also interesting one, right? Let's paste it and let's do enter. And here import, so we have this simple, so it goes and makes, first it encodes into base 64. After that it decodes. After encoding that into base 64, then it goes and encodes into rot. So rot 13. Then so this is our file. So we need to decrypt this simple file. So let's run our Python. So definitely Python. Then let's copy this and let's paste it over here. Let's split this windows. Okay, no, we don't want to split like that, but like this. And let's go over here. Then next is we need to copy this, or I could just type it, right? Code cs dot encode. So here we need to put a string. So our string is this first one. This is not the first one, this is the first one. And let's paste it over here. Then we need to copy as it is. So okay, we can do this. Let's copy this. I don't want to type too much. Let's paste it. So something isn't right, so my spelling is, I guess, incorrect. So so what was the thing? So COD is in codes. Code. So yes, my spelling was definitely incorrect over here. We need to have a code CS, so it has decrypted into base 64. Then let's copy this. Let's go to another terminal. Let's do echo. Then let's paste it over here. Then let's do base 64. That's decode. So that's our first password. Then let's do second one. I mean, so this is the another decrypt. We need to decrypt this. Let's paste it over here and let's do enter. So it worked perfectly. Then let's copy this. Then let's go here and let's do echo. Then let's paste it. Then let's decode this. Okay, now this has been done, so everything has been decoded. So let's clear this terminal. Let's go on this terminal and let's go ls, then cd. Let's go to home directory. Let's look at all the file folder. So we have a user Fristi. So sudo, or we can just do Fristi god, sudo Fristi god. Let's do id. So if we do Python, so we need a terminal, so bash terminal. So what we can do is using Python we can create that. So we have to import the file called pty, then pty.spaw and spawn. We have the file called bin bash. Then let's, okay, I guess it will work. No, it won't work because I made a simple typo error, so I can do simply that's it. I need to import a file called import a module, and then pty.spawn, and we need to open bin bash. Okay, then let's close it. Let's do enter. So it has been successfully used. So we can do bash, that means sudo, or we can do okay, we can do Fristi. So what I'm trying to do is try to log in as this user Fristi god. So here is our password for that. I think this is the one. Yep. So okay, let's do enter. So we are in, that means id Fristi god. Then let's use sudo -l. So what are the things that we can execute. Let's do enter. So that means we can use var Fristileaks secret stuff, and there is do come. So we can use this as a Fristi. That means we can do sudo dash user, then we need to be at this folder. So let's see what's up with here. So if we do frisk, okay, it doesn't autocomplete it, so that's fine. So Fristileaks, then if we have a hidden folder, so we don't have, so our clue is over here, so we need to go at this folder, right? So let's go over there, then cd, let's go over there and let's see the folder, right? So we can just increase this. That means, so what was that again? I forgot it. Sudo dash l. So that means I could use it like this. So I need to be a user called Fristi, then we can execute this do come. Okay, what if I do come? So I'm a wrong user, so I could do just user Fristi, right? Fristi, and let's run do come. Enter. Okay, it worked, but I don't know, so we haven't mentioned the command over there. So we can do sudo dash user Fristi and run this do come who am I. So I'm a root right now, so that means we can use elevate our privilege like this. So user at Fristi, then we can use what we called, so we need to run that, we need to run do come, and if we go if we run bash, so we need a cell bin bash. What about now? So id, let's see. Who am I? A root, that means python dash c, then import pty, then pty, then okay, here is my wrong. So I just want to spawn a cell, bash cell, so I want to import pty, then pty dot spaw and spawn, then bin bash cell. Let's do enter. Okay, then let's go back, ls pw list. Okay, here we have a node, so if we do la pwd, so we are at var ww, that means cat nodes .txt. so hey, easy peasy, your home directory is a mess, go to clean up and just don't delete the input and stuff, Jerry, that's all right. So if we go at the root directory, and I mean cd, if we go back, cd cd. If you go by cd, so we need to go at root cd root ls. So we have got, let's see cat. Okay, my spelling was incorrect, right? That's fine. Fristileaks. And if we do that, then okay, now congratulations on beating Fristileaks 1.0 by AROX, and I wonder if you beat it in the maximum 4 hour. So it is supposed to take shout out to people of Fristileaks Twitter, and this is the flag. Thank you guys for listening, and see you in our next video.